Ganito talaga pag nagsisimula. Mahirap, walang-wala. Minsan is very confusing. Would I stop or keep going? Ay, nakakalito. Minsan nga, may mga taong nagpo-push down sa atin na para bang they make us feel we're worthless. But we should bear it in our mind to keep flowing. Tulad ng tubig, it keeps flowing. Kaya, life should be the same.